Hey, I'm Josh. I'm here with ARB, and today we're going to talk about our new ARB Earth Camper. I want to start off by talking about this kitchen here. So it's a full 3-burner kitchen with a sink, which all neatly packs up and slides away inside the camper itself. Super clean, super easy operation. On board to support the kitchen, we have a propane tank to run the stove, and of course water as well. We have a 37-gallon tank underneath here, so you can be using that for washing up, but also for showers. More on that later. Key feature of the Earth Camper is this exoskeleton. So we have the whole frame made from this tubular steel, and that gives us extreme strength and durability, especially in off-road conditions. Underneath the Earth Camper, we have our Nitrocharger suspension by Old Man Emu. This is mounted in a vertical orientation with a 600mm trailing arm, which gives us a huge range of articulation and off-road performance. Moving around the Earth Camper, we have the ARB Zero fridge here. This is a dual zone fridge. It is 101 quarts. You can run it as 2 fridges, you can run it as a freezer, however you desire, depending on what you're carrying. Inside the Earth Camper, we have a whole range of different storage solutions. The camper comes with these nice little bags with clear tops, so you can see inside of what you might have. You keep your kitchen utensils, cooking pots, etc., all stored neatly in these sliding drawers. Up the front of the Earth Camper, that tubular frame continues along all the way through, and we have a CruiseMaster hitch here. This gives us 360 degrees of orientation and articulation, again helping to keep the Earth Camper planted when we're off-road. We have netting for protection against stone chips and any sort of damage when you're trailing behind a vehicle, as long with a bash plate across the front there as well for the more rough and rugged terrain. I said we'd talk more about water, so on board we have a hot water system here which allows you to take some nice warm showers, so you do get some of the creature comforts even in the remote wilderness here. Again, a whole range of specifically designed storage bags to fit the shape of the Earth Camper. We have up the front here a 1000-watt Redarc inverter, which is communicating to a RedVision system inside the camper. We'll show that as we continue to move around. To pair with the hot water system, we also have an ensuite awning room here. So this opens up and drops down to give you privacy, so you can have a shower if you're at a campsite or there's others around. On board we have storage for dual jerry cans, so you could use that for diesel, for gas, or of course for additional water storage as well. Inside the Earth Camper we have heaps of room. This whole floor and section all folds out to give you enough room to have a couple of tables and chairs in here for eating and just hanging out with friends. We have inbuilt storage underneath, so this drawer system here, as well as additional storage underneath the mattress, of course, to store, again, just as much as you can with whatever you want to bring with you on your trip. We have a full-size dual queen mattress up the front here. It's not air, it's a proper mattress, so it's super comfortable. Heaps of storage solutions around the Earth Camper, set of fans, reading lights. We will have air conditioning on our production model as well. And then of course up the front here we have the Redarc manager system, so RedVision. That's going to be the brains of the operation. That's controlling all of the electrical running throughout the vehicle, throughout the camper. Stepping back outside, I just want to quickly show part of the allure of the Earth Camper is this whole shell here folds up back onto the end of the Earth Camper, and that's controlled electrically. So it's very easy to operate, one-person operation, super simple, super quick. Within 2 minutes you can be in bed as you pull over on the side of the road. There's heaps more features that we could talk about with the Earth Camper today, but we'll be here basically until the end of the weekend. So that's just a quick snapshot. If you have any questions, you can go to arbusa.com, fill out the registration form. We have these in production. We're hoping to get them in the USA market September this year.